How long has he been in there?
With me, he's been 3 days now, I think. Well, he's putting on weight now. I can feel a difference because he
I like this one.
used to be really sharp. So this little guy's getting a bit better. Whether he's ever gets to a releasable stage, I don't know. But see, I'm pushing against his feet now.
Yeah.
And he's actually reacting to me. So he's pushing against me, which is really good. Yeah.
That one over at the back there, see that one on the logo there? That was really well camouflaged.
Hello.
I'm gonna tell you.
Watch this.
I've seen this one here move. Someone's right at the end. That one's a nice one.
Is he? Here, put your arm out. The other arm. There you go. And if you move over here, oh, I should. Oh. And relax.
I can hear that real
Then I'm going to feed this one. Alright, then you're going to come with me. Come over here. Come on, right down here, right down here, way down here. Hold this up, hold your hand up. Wiggle it. Alright, get set. Oh, we dropped it. That's okay, we'll get it. We'll get it.
Where's the handle on
There you go. Oh, it's just cow poop.
What is it?
It's just food for the birds. It's only food. You can wipe it on my trousers. I'll give you a rag if you want. Okay, now I've got one other that's going to fly in, and she's going to want to fly real soon. Watch this. Pretty cool, eh? She'll get up off the ground. Watch it. Watch it. See? That's amazing. And this is 38. Watch it. She's showing off. Here's 42. Here, this is 42. You gotta feed this one. And then feed him here. Well, we don't know. These two are brothers and sisters or siblings. And I registered some little babies. I'll show you some pictures on the computer.
Aren't you guys cool?
Oh, he likes you. Oh.